Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Shafa. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for notification. And then if you love my video, don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section down below. Let's get into the purpose of this video.
This facial home remedy, it is going to help us remove impurities on our skin, remove sunburns, treat wrinkles, get rid of dark circles under our eyes, treat puffy eyes or tired eyes, and also skin lightening. The ingredient we are going to be using potato. It is rich in vitamin C, B6, iron, copper, and also calcium. So it will also help us lessen the appearance of dark circles under our eyes. It also acts as an anti-aging. Ingredient we are going to be using rice flour. Rice flour will act as our exfoliator, and it is also excellent for skin lightening and removing dead skin cells, and also getting rid of acne and pigmentation spots. Ingredient we are going to be using aloe vera gel. This will help us cleanse our skin, soothe sunburns, lighten our dark scars, and also reducing on anti-inflammation and treating dry skin. It will act as our moisturizer. Cutting our potatoes into pieces, we had to put it on heat to boil for 15 minutes until when it was ready. So after, you don't need to wait for it to cool, just mash it immediately to make a smooth, clear paste. One teaspoon of aloe vera gel, add in 1 teaspoon of our mashed potato, then add in a pinch of our rice flour, then start mixing the ingredients very well until you make a smooth, clear paste. So this home facial remedy, it is going to help us in terms of skin lightening, and skin lightening, it's different from skin bleaching. So this is skin lightening naturally. We are done mixing our ingredients. The next step is to apply it onto our clean face. Make sure that you always first wash or cleanse your face, remove all the dirt, remove all the makeup, remove all the oils that you had applied, then you apply your face pack. And always don't forget to apply in a circular motion. Don't forget to be gentle, and always massage your face for at least 1 minute for positive results. Then after, leave it for 20 minutes. Then you wash it off with cold water to close the pores.
Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed as much as I did. Until next time in my next video, don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. I love you all.